Well, it was great to be at the Credit Matters event this year and see all my colleagues in the industry again. We are here as a sponsor, and we already had lots of opportunities to interact with the people on the event. What I did like the most of today are the best practices. See how the shared service centers and the companies over here have put the new technologies and changes in the legislations or environments in place. A good presentation today was from Benedict from Citivia. He was talking about the new invoicing requirements that they are facing, so requirements in Italy, Poland, and also other countries are implementing the coming years. And well, his challenge was how to deal and how to solve these challenges.